The Art of War is an ancient Chinese military treatise attributed to Sun Tzu, a high-ranking military general, strategist, and tactician. Sun Tzu was a Chinese general, military strategist, writer, and philosopher who lived in the Eastern Zhou period of ancient China. His historical existence is uncertain and influential on military strategy and tactics. Military leaders, strategists, and business executives around the world followed his work. Sun Tzu's philosophy emphasized the importance of considering all factors when planning military campaigns, including psychological and political factors as well as more practical considerations such as logistics and terrain. He believed that victory could be achieved through superior strategy and tactics, rather than simply relying on brute force. Sun Tzu's ideas have had a lasting impact on military strategy and tactics, as well as on business management and leadership. He has influenced the development of modern military doctrine in many countries and in sales. Are you ready to revolutionize your sales career? At Closer's Class, we've unlocked the power of the art of sales and brought its timeless teachings into the modern sales world. By dissecting and analyzing sales philosophy, we've developed a comprehensive sales training program that will help you achieve victory in your pursuits. From strategy and tactics to closing and the sales process will teach you how to master the art of sales and outmaneuver your competitors. But we don't just stop at theory, we provide practical guidance and training videos to help you put these principles into action. By considering all factors when planning your campaigns, including psychological and political factors as well as practical considerations like logistics and terrain, you'll be able to close more deals and achieve success like never before. So don't just read about the art of sales, join us at Closer's Class and experience its transformative power for yourself. Sign up for our training today and take the first step towards mastering the art of sales. The Art of Warfare. A quick summary. 1. Leadership. The importance of strong and effective leadership in warfare is emphasized, including having a clear vision and strategy, being able to inspire and motivate troops, being able to make difficult decisions. 2. Intelligence. The importance of intelligence gathering and analysis in warfare is discussed, including using spies to gather information about the enemy, as well as using other sources of intelligence, such as scouts and reconnaissance, to gain a strategic advantage. 3. Unity and cooperation. The importance of unity and cooperation among troops in order to achieve victory is stressed, including maintaining strong morale, building strong relationships and trust among team members, and working together effectively. 4. Discipline. The importance of discipline in warfare is covered, including maintaining strict order and control among troops, enforcing rules and regulations, and ensuring that soldiers follow orders and instructions. 5. The use of terrain. The importance of terrain in warfare is discussed, including the use of natural defenses and the strategic positioning of troops. It also covers the importance of adapting to different types of terrain and using it to one's advantage. 6. The role of weather. The impact of weather on warfare is covered, including the importance of considering the weather when planning campaigns and the need to adapt to different weather conditions. 7. The use of spies. The use of spies as a key element of warfare is discussed, including the importance of recruiting and managing spies, as well as using them to gather intelligence and sow confusion among the enemy. 8. The role of logistics. The logistics of warfare covered the importance of supplying and supporting an army on the march, as well as the role of logistics in shaping strategy and tactics. 9. The use of deception. The use of deception as a key element of warfare is discussed, including the importance of using disguises, misinformation, and other tactics to mislead and deceive the enemy. 10. The importance of morale. The importance of maintaining strong morale among troops is covered, including the role of leadership in building morale and the impact of morale on the outcome of battles. Now to video number 2.
Thank you for choosing Closer's Class for your educational needs. We hope that you found the content and courses useful and informative. As a reminder, your license to access Closers class is limited, non-exclusive, non-transferable, and allows for streaming-only access to the content. We appreciate your business and hope that you continue to make the most of your learning experience with us. Goodbye for now, and we hope to see you again soon.
And never forget, always be closing.